I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
I just smoke right in front of you.
sort and label my spices. It's getting fairly wannabe. Let's sort and label my spices.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hello, hi, my name is Aisha. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And you guys, today is Friday. I am dressed. I want to go and pick the children from school, but it is currently 11:20. My second phone. I don't know why I kept that one. It's currently 11:20 and I want to quickly go and buy bread and then branch and buy bottles for fresh juice before I go and pick the children. So that is what I'm doing now. That's where I'm going now before I pick them, because they close by 12:30 and it is like an hour, like I have an hour, so that's more than enough. So yeah. So you guys, how are you doing? How are you guys coping with this heat? It rained throughout yesterday in Abuja and today has been very hot. It's like we are paying for the rain yesterday. But yeah, alhamdulillah, at least we know they're on that sun. See my khaki. I left my khaki. I'll now go downstairs and be stressing that girl that please go and bring my phone for me upstairs. I mean my khaki phone. You guys, this Magnesi bag, I carry it on anything, everything, any color. Going downstairs. I like to check everywhere in the house when I'm going out, so that in case there's any, this is my children's playroom. There's nothing in that room, it's just their toys. I just like to check everywhere in the house before I step out. No more down. My house needs deep cleaning. Not that it's dirty, but it can be neater. I don't like to go. This slippers is sounding. Oh, meter is making noise. Okay, that's why I'm telling you to do it when you come back. Alright. I used the sunscreen that I stopped using for obvious reasons. Can you see the way I'm sweating? I'm going to branch and buy sunscreen. Oof. Okay. Hot. Yes. So guys, we are going.
See white and pink.
Yum yum. You guys, these are the things that I bought. I bought bread. I ate out of it already because I was hungry. I buy the bread in bulk because I am the only one in the house and I cannot keep going back there, so I buy 4. We'll take out 1 and then we'll put the remaining 3 in the fridge to last one for like a week. And I got my skincare. You guys, skincare now is money. I bought the cover vitamin C serum. Their sunscreen, I like their sunscreen, so I think I'll like their vitamin C serum as well. So I bought that. See, my son is helping out. Thank you. So I bought my toner. I've been using this toner for years, and I'm buying this moisturizer for the first time because the one I used, they don't have it. It's still the same brand, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. We'll soon go for swimming lessons. I bought bottles too. Give me that small one. Let me make a video of it. So this is 25. This is 25 cl. And no, come on. And this is 50. So 2 of that makes 1 of this. So guys, what did I want to say? I'm just going to chill. This is to 2 and we'll leave the house by 3. So the children are just going to change and then we'll go to the pool. I'm not swimming today because I have cold.